Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. We have finished revising class 11 syllabus twice and this is the second time revision of class 12 syllabus, and today we are going to do 15 MCQs from the chapters that you're seeing on your screens. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. HIV selectively targets and destroys the following immunocompetent cells: helper cells, suppressor T cells, plasma cells, or memory cells. HIV selectively targets and destroys which of the following immunocompetent cells? Correct answer is option A. It destroys the helper T cells. Question number 2. Hereditary disease condition in which the blood fails to coagulate: sickle cell anemia, leukemia, hemophilia, alkaptonuria. Hereditary disease condition in which the blood fails to coagulate. Correct answer is option C, hemophilia. Question number 3. Which one of the following diseases is due to an allergic condition? Enteric fever, hay fever, skin cancer, goiter. Disease due to allergic reaction. Correct answer is option B, hay fever. Question number 4. All are diseases of lungs except asthma, bronchitis, encephalitis, pneumonia. Correct answer is option C, encephalitis. The name itself is revealing it. Encephalon. Encephalon is anything that is related to brain. So encephalitis is inflammation of brain. It is not related to lungs. Question number 5. Identify the element which is not a part of innate immunity: phagocytes, antibodies, interferons, complement. Not a part of innate immunity. The correct answer is option B, antibodies. What is innate immunity? Immunity that is present since birth. Antibodies are part of adaptive immunity. Question number 6. Dengue fever is caused by bacteria, plasmodium, virus, or ant amoeba. Dengue fever is caused by. Correct answer is option C. It is a viral disease. Question number 7. Suspensions of killed or attenuated pathogenic microorganisms on inoculation, if stimulate the formation of antibody, is called as vaccine, antibiotic, sera, antitoxin. Suspension of killed or attenuated pathogenic microorganism which on inoculation will stimulate the formation of antibodies. Correct answer is option A, vaccines. Question number 8. The drug used by weight conscious people to reduce appetite and increase alertness are. Drugs which is used by weight conscious people to reduce appetite and increase alertness: LSD, morphine, amphetamine, aspirin. The correct answer is option C, amphetamine. Question number 9. Organ which is more affected by alcohol: liver, lungs, spleen, heart. The organ which is most commonly affected by alcohol. Correct answer is option A, liver. Question 10. Lymphocytes that causes formation of holes in plasma membrane: B cells, killer T cells, suppressor T cells, helper T cells. Lymphocyte that causes holes in plasma membrane. Correct answer is option B, killer T cells. Question number 11. The fish used to control malaria is Gambusia, Rohu, Katla, or option D, both A and B. Fish used to control malaria. Correct answer is option A, Gambusia. Gambusia is a fish that feeds on the tadpoles of the female Anopheles mosquito. So once the mosquitoes are removed, spread of malaria is controlled. Question number 12. A person suffering from malaria feels fever when exoerythritic cycle is completed, signet ring stage is formed, RBC is ruptured, or option D, none of these. Person suffering from malaria feels fever when? Correct answer is option C, when the RBC is ruptured. When the RBC is ruptured, the hemozoin pigment is released, which is responsible for the fever that is seen in the malaria. Question number 13. Disease caused by a virus. Tuberculosis, smallpox, cholera, typhoid. Correct answer is option B. Smallpox is a disease which is caused by a virus. Tuberculosis is caused by bacteria, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Cholera caused by Vibrio cholerae, which is again a bacteria. Typhoid caused by Salmonella typhi, which again is a bacteria. Question number 14. A disease transferred from mother to child through placenta. German measles, syphilis, AIDS, or option D, all the above. Disease transferred from mother to child through placenta. Correct answer is option D. All these diseases can be transferred from mother to child through placenta. And what is German measles? Right, German measles is rubella. Question number 15. Hemozoin is a toxic substance formed in case of malaria. It is produced by globin pigment of RBC, color pigment of RBC, dead WBC, or cryptozoites. Globin protein of RBC, color pigment of RBC, dead WBC, or cryptozoites. Hemozoin is released from. Correct answer is option B, colored pigment of RBC. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow at this very place, this very time with another set of 15 MCQs, and the topic for tomorrow's MCQ session would be the next chapter of class 12 NCERT biology. So do read that chapter up before attempting tomorrow's MCQ session. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.